Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? Imagine gazing at the crimson landscape, your boots sinking into the red Martian dust. It's not just a wild daydream, it's a potential future. Mars has always had a magnetic pull on our collective imagination. The allure of the unknown, the thrill of discovery, the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our home planet, it's intoxicating. Living on Mars could yield unprecedented scientific insights. We could unravel the mysteries of the universe, discover alien life forms, and tap into the planet's resources. It could be a lifeline, a backup plan for humanity, ensuring our survival if catastrophe strikes Earth. But it's not just about survival, it's about the spirit of exploration. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know, what we can do, where we can go. It's about the inherent human drive to discover, to explore, to dream. But as with every great adventure, there are challenges waiting for us on the red planet. Mars, with its harsh environment and lack of resources, is a formidable adversary for humans. This barren red planet is not just a world away, it's a world apart. The challenges we face in trying to make Mars our second home are numerous and daunting. Firstly, let's consider life's most basic need: air. Mars has an atmosphere, but it's composed mostly of carbon dioxide with only a trace amount of oxygen. Inhaling the Martian air would be like trying to breathe on the summit of Mount Everest, but worse. Then there's the bone-chilling cold. Mars is, on average, about 80 degrees colder than Earth. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on our planet. We'd need to find a way to stay warm in an environment that's essentially a permanent winter. Radiation is another significant challenge. On Earth, our magnetic field and atmosphere protect us from the sun's harmful rays. But Mars lacks such a protective shield. This means that any human settlers would be exposed to high levels of radiation, increasing the risk of developing cancer and other health issues. And let's not forget about the journey itself. Traveling to Mars is not like hopping on a plane. It's a 6 to 9 months trip in a cramped spacecraft, with no fresh food or natural light. This could have serious implications for both physical and mental health, including muscle and bone loss, weakened immunity, and psychological stress. Once we've arrived, there's the question of where to live. Establishing sustainable habitats on Mars would be no small feat. We'd need to construct shelters that can withstand extreme temperatures and radiation, while also providing access to water and other essential resources. Yet despite these challenges, the prospect of colonizing Mars continues to captivate us. The allure of the unknown, the thrill of exploration, and the potential for scientific discovery are driving us to confront these obstacles head-on. It's a testament to our innate curiosity and our relentless determination to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Red Planet, however, isn't just a land of difficulties. It's a land of opportunities waiting to be seized. Imagine, if you will, a fresh canvas for scientific discovery, a new frontier that could redefine our understanding of the universe. Mars, with its unique landscapes and geological features, holds secrets that, once unlocked, could propel our knowledge to new heights. Then there's the potential to establish Martian societies. This is a chance to build from scratch, to create systems and structures that are sustainable, equitable, and innovative. It's an opportunity to learn from our past mistakes on Earth and to implement solutions that have long-term viability. Exploring Mars also means exploring its distinctive landscapes. Each valley, mountain, and plain could hold untapped resources or even clues to the possibility of life beyond our own planet. These opportunities could open a new chapter in the story of human civilization. So, what does the future hold for humans on Mars? In the grand scheme of things, we're on the cusp of a new era of exploration, an era where humans could potentially call Mars home. The crux of our discussion has revolved around the challenges and opportunities that Martian colonization presents. The harsh conditions on Mars will push the limits of human adaptation and resilience. But as history has shown us, humans have an uncanny knack for thriving in the face of adversity. In our pursuit of making Mars habitable, we will rely heavily on technological innovations and scientific advancements. From developing sustainable habitats to harnessing Martian resources, the road to colonization is paved with innovation. Living on Mars would undoubtedly be an extraordinary adventure, presenting both opportunities and hurdles that would shape the future of human civilization beyond Earth.